Introduction. The harpy eagle is a large, majestic bird of prey that is found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It is considered one of the most powerful and largest eagles in the world, and it is known for its striking appearance, with a distinctive double crest of feathers on its head and a fierce, predatory gaze. In this video, we will delve deep into the fascinating world of the harpy eagle, exploring its physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, diet, breeding, conservation status, and cultural significance. Physical characteristics. The harpy eagle is a large bird, measuring up to 3.3 feet in length, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. It is a heavy bird, weighing between 9 to 20 pounds, with females being larger than males. The harpy eagle has a distinctive appearance, with a double crest of feathers on its head that resemble horns or ears. The feathers on its head and neck are a light grey color, while the rest of its body is dark brown. Its wings are broad and rounded, with black and white stripes on the underside. The harpy eagle has large, powerful talons that are capable of exerting a force of up to 1,100 pounds per inch too, making it one of the strongest birds of prey in the world. Its beak is also powerful, capable of crushing bones and tearing through tough hides. Behavior. The harpy eagle is a solitary bird that is often seen perched on high branches or flying through the forest canopy in search of prey. It is a stealthy hunter, stalking its prey quietly and pouncing with great speed and agility. The harpy eagle is known for its fierce and aggressive behavior, especially during the breeding season when it defends its territory and young. It is also known to be highly territorial, with both males and females defending their home range against intruders. Habitat. The harpy eagle is found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, including Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, and Panama. It prefers mature, undisturbed forests with tall trees, where it can perch on high branches and scan the forest floor for prey. Diet. The harpy eagle is a carnivorous bird that feeds primarily on monkeys, sloths, and other mammals, as well as birds and reptiles. It is an apex predator, meaning it is at the top of the food chain in its habitat and has few natural predators. The harpy eagle is a skilled hunter, using its keen eyesight and stealthy movements to ambush its prey. It is also known to steal prey from other birds of prey, such as toucans and macaws. Breeding. The harpy eagle is a monogamous bird, with pairs staying together for many years and raising multiple offspring over their lifetime. Breeding usually occurs between May and October, with the female laying 1 or 2 eggs in a large nest built high in the canopy. The male and female take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the young, which hatch after about 56 days. The young are born helpless and require extensive care and feeding from their parents for several months before they are able to fledge and leave the nest. Conservation status. The harpy eagle is classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with a declining population due to habitat loss, hunting, and poaching. The bird is protected under national laws in most of its range countries, and efforts are underway to conserve its habitat and reduce the threat of hunting and poaching. Cultural significance. The harpy eagle has significant cultural and spiritual significance for many indigenous cultures in Central and South America. It is often revered as a symbol of power, strength, and wisdom, and is sometimes considered a sacred bird. In many indigenous cultures, the harpy eagle is believed to have supernatural powers and is associated with the spirit world. It is often depicted in art, mythology, and storytelling, and is sometimes used in traditional medicine and spiritual practices. For example, the Kofan people of Colombia believe that the harpy eagle is a messenger between the spirit world and the physical world, and that it has the power to heal and protect. They also believe that the eagle's feathers have magical properties and are used in rituals to communicate with the spirit world. Similarly, the Achua people of the Amazon rainforest believe that the harpy eagle is a powerful and wise bird that represents the highest levels of knowledge and spiritual power. They believe that the eagle has the ability to see into the future and to communicate with the spirit world, and they often incorporate its image and symbolism into their art and spiritual practices. In addition to its spiritual significance, the harpy eagle is also an important cultural symbol for many indigenous communities as a representation of the natural world and the importance of preserving biodiversity. It is often used as a flagship species for conservation efforts and is seen as a symbol of the importance of protecting the rainforest and its inhabitants. Overall, the harpy eagle has played an important role in the cultural and spiritual traditions of indigenous communities in Central and South America for centuries, and continues to be a symbol of power, wisdom, and environmental stewardship today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next video very interesting, see more. Please subscribe, support me.